pretty girl storm, I saw your bad. Come a little pretty girl. Jiggle your body, you look good in the migo girl. Hey, watching them on a Esco the Shaka, this from Jamaica representing for pretty girl storm. Blood out there.
Anyways, wanna say on? Versus wanna say on? The people them say they see our ID, sir. It not start yet.
We ran a new song since we're in a family affair tonight. And it's only right that we play our other brother. Fat Joe. Brand new Fat Joe versus his brand new Fat Joe. The name of this song is called Sunshine. Make sure you stream it on Apple Music.
Janet.
City. Let's go. New Fat Joe is called Sunshine. Let's go.
I'm not ready yet. My video when I put up a post over my page like this, so I have some get it. The TV people then video.
This all me do. And then you keep talking about people sitting on her name every day. Bitch, if you call my name every day, I'm gonna call your motherfucking name every day. It's tit for tat around this bitch. You ain't no more than me. I ain't scared of your motherfucking ass. If you call my name, I'm gonna answer your ugly ass.
It's on your idea, yeah.
What she said?
And I hear the post. I stroll down, cause that page have 300 and add posts. I'm gonna see everything yet. I'm gonna want to see everything anyways. Not right now. Okay, that's on my reach. Remember, she will have a big pool. The big pool. No pool, but she have a trampoline. At a fair backyard. See it? Oh, I graduation dress this. Like, look my frumps too. When is frumpy? Watch your bag. Like, who wears those kind of purses? Yeah. Oh shit, I should plug in my phone. Watch him in the white people, them house. Watch him. Watch him. Like, this woman's cray. Enough, a pool disappear. In I people them house, this a pick watch her, I show people them stuff.
So we gotta match it up, match it up, match it up, match it up. So them things the people, feel me? So every day.
Who does that?
Clean up, every day make clean. Right? Last is brown. And then guess what? So we gotta match it up, match it up, match it up.
No, sir.
There it is.
Wait.
Clean up the water.
This?
My love, I love, I love that.
Fuck her face. I decide 5 minutes later video.
The rest of them, I rode by myself, and I have a license firearm, and I'm not afraid to use it. What? Run up. Why am I gonna make video for me? Tell me where to meet you. You have no class. And the rest of them, I rode by myself, and
I don't know why 5 minutes later video there. Fuck, man. Okay, I have to stop this bullshit right now. Oh, God.
Look on my room, nice and clean. Nice and clean.
That's not her house.
My bathroom, nice and clean. Oh, look at my big bathroom. Nice and clean. People, you guys know what I use on the glass? Windex with ammonia. And I only wipe my floors most of the time with vinegar. It's about it, people. Look on my place, nice and clean. Nice and clean. Do some laundry, people. Laundry day, just folding. Let's go in the attic. Let's go to the attic to fold up the rest of the clothes. Let's go. See my sunroom, nice and clean. Nice and clean. My kitchen, nice and clean. Let's go to the other kitchen. Actually, let's go to the attic. Or, remember, in my yard. What did they say I don't drive? What am say me no drive? What say people? What am say me no drive? Lord, I tell ya, don't listen to hearsay. Worry about no soul or near say or reality. Fox. Let's move on. Look on my room, nice and clean. Nice and clean. Look at my bathroom, nice and clean. Oh, look at my big bathroom, nice and clean. People, you guys know what I use on the glass? Windex with ammonia. And I only wipe my floors most of the time with vinegar. It's about it, people. Look on my place, nice and clean. Nice and clean. Do some laundry, people. Laundry day, just folding. Let's go in the attic. Let's go to the attic. Fold up the rest of the clothes. Let's go.
ask you, my sunroom nice and clean.
No, sir.
Nice and clean. My kitchen, nice and clean. Let's go to the other kitchen.
She's crazy. Oh, nice and clean.
When I keep on saying only us, the black community, then people will be like, oh, Ocean, then what? And then, you know what I mean? When I keep on saying only us, the black community, then people will be like, oh, Ocean, then what? And then, you know what I mean? When I keep on saying only us, the black community, then people will be like, oh, Ocean, then what? And then, you know what I mean? Didn't you not know that? When I keep on saying,
how many bathrooms is that so far? Dirty friend them. How many? And the attic bathroom.
That's her bathroom.
Donna Karen Tunnel.
Watch there.
So that's what I keep on saying.
Like, whose bathroom look like that?
Badmind are killing the attic furniture go beat in the bottle. How many bathrooms is that so far? Dirty friend.
When I want to see no video where she like dark, I like to play the video them. Oh, we can't see sitting. Watch the white people them place.
my daughter, good up room. Let's go up the bathroom then, please.
Stam, what I write name?
My
Osha.
daughter's bathroom.
Osha Sanders or something like that.
That's a one bathroom. My good up laundry room. Dirty fret them and tenally who are click and clang.
If you're looking at the ads paper, you will see, you will find her
My good up room.
in there like cleaning part.
My good up room. I go. My good up bathroom. My big nice shower. How much bathroom that too? Me not in need of clothes. Me not in need of shoes and bag and clothes. No time. No time. My daughter, good up room. Let's go up the bathroom then, please, and talks. My daughter's bathroom.
What a bitch, lie and wicked. No, sir. Okay, I could go back over versus. How are this? Let me see how are this. Oh, she and I white people then.
Nowhere. And am I seeing room this? No?
Chin face.
And am I seeing room this? And am I seeing bathroom this? All of the problem with the kids in the house in there. All of the problem with the kids in the house. All of my name and stuff. Kids in the house.
Did it start over? Sorry. Oh no, it's still a go. She must show people them house. Smart somewhere where she work. I show people them stuff. Watch her show people them Louis Vuitton.
The Burberry scarf.
Like, who walks around their house and show live what they have like that?
Travel coach bag. You guys had fun? You guys behaved? You guys shot till you drop? Yeah, no worries. No. No. I'm bringing that bag with me now. I'm gonna dump that bag. And what? Okay. Is Tan upstairs? Is Tan upstairs? Okay. Yeah. And on my side of my yard is, under the porch this, remember a deck is different from a porch. Remember a deck is different from a porch. And on my front like this? No? It's not? Just under my one, let's go outside. It's raining. Under the pool and everything that.
See what going in there.
I know what a country noise, eh? You guys are going now? Listen.
Madman sound. Her face kills me. Watch him. She's crazy.
Me wanna get naked.
Say what?
That is the world that I am taking.
Yeah.
Now what time this a start?
Tap out, man. What it do, baby? You know I love you.
I lost you after 90.
Little collection.
Started over like when you.
Girl, I can be right.